Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to put audio inside your CapCut. This works for both PC and laptop users. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, go ahead and open up your CapCut application on your PC or laptop and then choose a current project you're working on or click on new. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on a current project. And now to add audio, it's the same way as you add a video clip. So click on the import blue button on the top left hand corner of your page. And now I'm going to add in an audio track, sunset. So now I'm going to drag that down here. And now I've got audio to this video. Now if you want to trim this, see how this audio track is much longer than my video. So simply drag this slider across, snap it at the end, and then click on split. And now right click the track here and then click on delete. And now if you want to add in a fade here on this audio track, fade in and out, so click on it and then click in fade in for say 5.2 seconds and fade out about the same. As you can see, there's a fade in and a fade out of this audio track there. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to put audio inside CapCut. Please make sure to leave a like if this video helped you, and also subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.